Welcome back to Explore Error. Once again, in this video, I'll show you how to remove bloatware in Windows 10 in just 5 minutes. This method is very easy, but you need to be careful because it removes the apps that come pre-installed with Windows 10. Many of these apps are not really useful and they slow down your computer's performance. Once we remove this bloatware, your Windows 10 PC will run much faster. So let's start with the first step. You need to visit a website, and I'll leave the link in the description box. Scroll down on that page and look for Windows 10 Debloater GUI and click on it. On the next page, you will see some code. Don't panic when you see it, you only need to copy it. Click at the start of the code and scroll down to copy everything. You can use Ctrl and E, but I recommend copying it manually. It may take 10 to 15 seconds, but it's better. Once done, press Ctrl and C or right-click and select Copy. Now go back to Windows. In the search box, type PowerShell, then right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes when asked. In the PowerShell window, paste the same code using Ctrl and V. The process will start automatically. Just wait until it finishes. Once it stops, press the Enter key and a new window will open. This is the Windows 10 Debloater window. Here you'll see multiple options like optional changes and fixes. You can enable or disable things like Cortana, and you can also uninstall OneDrive. These are useful shortcuts. If you click Remove All Bloatware, all the default Windows 10 apps will be removed. However, I recommend clicking Customize Blacklist first. Take some time to review the list carefully. Some apps may still be useful for you, and if you remove them by mistake, it can cause problems later. All the checked boxes will be removed and the unchecked ones will stay. Make sure you choose wisely. For example, you might want to keep Calculator or Command Prompt. Don't rush here. Spend some time and select only what you really don't need. Once you're sure, click Remove All Bloatware. The process will start and PowerShell will clean everything in the background. Just relax and wait. After it's done, the unnecessary apps will be removed and you'll notice a big boost in performance. Your computer will feel faster and more responsive like a brand new PC. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.